Students and staff prepare to head back to the classroom. Mental health remains a talking point for administrators and health professionals. Good evening, I'm Rebecca Pepin.
And I'm Casey Getz. In Southwest Virginia, districts in our region will benefit from a donation to extend special programming and training for students, families, and teachers.
News 5's Ashley Hoke joins us now in the studio. So Ashley, can you tell us how this funding will be used?
Yeah, Casey and Rebecca, expanding reach and creating a more profound impact to address the needs of at-risk students in Southwest Virginia is one of the top priorities of this new source of funding. The organization, Communities and Schools of Appalachian Highlands, is dedicated to empowering students to stay in school and achieve success in life. Now, the group has received a generous donation from the Anthem Blue Cross and Blue Shield Foundation.
With their investment and with the partnership, we're going to be able to address some of the, many needs and challenges that our students have.
The landmark collaboration, amounting in a $750,000 three-year investment from Anthem, marks a significant step in reducing risk factors among students, like mental health and substance abuse disorders.
I think this check presentation represents their belief in our work, their belief in our community, and honestly, just the support that we're going to be able to provide to over 20,000 students.
Working to provide needed resources to students in the Southwest Virginia region.
We've all seen the impacts of COVID, and it increased our students' sense of isolation, their lack of hope, and just their overall disconnectedness with the world. And so because of that, our schools are seeing, more behavioral issues with their students.
The funds will be used to provide additional support in various areas of focus.
They will focus on mental health first aid training to our schools, our communities, and our school districts. They will also focus on substance abuse, prevention programs, those type things. But in addition to those three, it will allow us to work with our school divisions to do mental health assessments and also be able to provide targeted supports around that.
With that investment, we're going to be able to provide more training for our teachers and our communities and our parents around mental health first aid, both for adults and for youth.
Several districts will benefit from the program in the coming weeks.
We hope to offer this to 8 school districts in Southwest Virginia, with potentially being able to offer it to all of our school districts, and it will be from elementary all the way to secondary, all the way to high school.
While 8 districts total are slated to see the additional resources, that breaks down further to 51 schools across Southwest Virginia.